Robin Backer, Paul Hagort, Iphigenia of Brown i den här uttagningen till Breeders' Course-finalen. 300 Stone-finalen på Åbergskvällen. Congrats!
Thank you.
She's a lovely horse, right?
Yeah, really lovely.
11.4 and it looks quite easy.
Yeah, it's a good time. Of course, the track is fast, but 9.6 last 500, so she was happy with her.
And it looked like no problems at all?
No, it was good from the gate, and sometimes a little bit nervous before the race, but you make her not too warm, then it's okay. You go to the gate, and it's automatic in the race.
Now she's got a good number also in the final.
Yes, so we hope the best for the final.
What about Balotelli in the next elimination?
Fast horse, but he had some problems in the beginning. He lost his, how to say it, in his head was he not that ready, but he makes some breaks, and then we changed something. Paul changed something in the balance, and the last two races was good. The race before was 12, he was second against older horses. He feels good. Last race again second, but yeah, he's okay, and I think it's a horse for next year. But I hope the best today that he run a fast mile, and the last two races was good, and I think we are on a good way with him.
Yeah. Grattis!
Tack så mycket.
Robin Backer med Iphigenia of Brown.